This is how you can use the chat feature in Zoom. So sometimes your teachers will open up the chat function in Zoom where you can then type in responses or communicate with your friends. To open the chat, down here at the bottom of your Zoom tools, you'll click the chat button and you'll see it pop over to the right. To type in a message, you would just type it here. And you'll see that your message went through because it appears up here. If other people type in the chat, you will also see that show up as well. Sometimes your teacher will let you chat with everyone, and you can see that that's here. That means anything you post, everyone in your Zoom class will see that. Sometimes your teacher will just have it where you can only chat with him or her. And so you will see that because right here it says, now I can only chat to Misty Klusner, who is the teacher of this Zoom meeting, and it says privately. And you can see my teachers change the settings. If they have it public, where I can chat with everybody, if I click this little arrow, I can choose between chatting directly only with my teacher. Again, that's private, only my teacher and I can see that conversation. Or I can click here to everyone if I have something to share with everybody. So that sometimes you will have both options available. Sometimes you'll only have the chat with your teacher available. Also, please know that your teacher can download chats. So even if they missed something that you said during the live Zoom session, they can always go back and check and get back to you if you ask them a question that they maybe didn't get to. And if you want to close your chat window, you can come up here to the little X. And come up here to the little arrow, and then click the X, close, and then it'll go away.